In today's video, we will speak about 3 different websites where we can get paid to chat with strangers. Now, you probably told that, how do I get paid chatting with strangers, as my parents always told me not to speak with strangers? Well, firstly, it's alright to talk to strangers as long as you are safe behind your computer like numerous keyboard warriors out there. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you want to watch this kind of video, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If this video seems helpful, like it and share it with others. If you have any concerns or tips about it, leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. So in today's video, we are going to discuss how you can earn $400 or more per week to speak to strangers through your keyboard. So let's jump right into the first website that we will be reviewing today, called Sitestuff. Sidestep was founded in Colorado back in 2011. Generally, what this site does is provide business with chat software. They offer chat agent to help and manage their software as well, as you can become one of those chat agents. You know, they are hiring mainly remotely in the United States. Yet it's unclear if they are going to start hiring in other countries as well. That's why we have this one at number 3. Sidestep is a relatively good way to start making $10 per hour for chat-only position. If you can type up to 60 words per minute and you are pretty good with grammar and spelling and things like that, and apply to Sitestuff.com, where you can earn $10 per hour to chat with strangers. Also, the cool part is you can do this while you are doing other hustles. So you can start earning $10 per hour. After that, you understand making $15 an hour, $20 an hour by doing various other things while focusing on the side stuff. The number 2 best method to start making money just by chatting with strangers is a representative for a company that most likely many of us have heard of. If you love Apple products, then maybe being a home advisor for Apple is the right option for you. Because if you are an Apple fan like me, who has an Apple phone and an Apple computer, right all, and also an Apple TV and everything Apple makes, after that, what's called an at-home advisor would be right for you. If you already know a lot about Apple products, after that, it's perfect way to start earning some side earnings to save up to actually create a more scalable form of passive income online. What Apple at-home advisor is, you become person support is what they called it. It's not technical support. You are supporting people. So you generally assist people with their issues with Apple products. So, if you have ever been on a customer chat with Apple, for example, you would be the one supporting that customer chat. Also, the fantastic thing about Apple at-home advisor is that you can make significantly more than $10 an hour, like we discussed in our first option, Sidestep. Apple at-home advisor really can make anywhere from $15 to even up to $23 per hour to answer chats. Also, they do advise that they do have a telephone that you can do telephone support for. However, from what I understand, most of the support you would be doing is via chat. And the great part is, you have other co-workers and an entire network of other Apple at-home advisors that you can ask questions to and get support from, if there are questions that you do come in that you don't know the answers to. As far as requirements for becoming an Apple at-home advisor, all the essential criteria are that you need to speak English. You have to have a pretty good understanding and know your way around Apple products like I believe most of us do. Number 1 method to earn money chatting online with strangers, we will get to in just 1 second. So, number 1, the best method to earn money by chatting with strangers is with a website called Weeblycom. Weebly.com is a way that you can produce easy to make online e-commerce stores and things like that. So therefore what we want is self-motivated people with solid communication skills to assist chat and offer customer service for their particular company. Therefore Weebly is based out of Silicon Valley, out of San Francisco, but they are hiring people from all over the US. Therefore, if you are in the US, you can apply. The cool thing is, you can get paid anywhere from $17 to $18 an hour. However, they do require at least 20 hours of work per week. However, that is close to $400 per week working part-time from home, just chatting with everyday people and customers via your computer. The best part is there are numerous different ways to start making passive income. You need to start. That's it I want to show you in this video. Let me know in the comments below how much you earn money by utilizing this video's approach. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If this video seems helpful to you, like it and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.